Sponge cake and mascarpone cream quick recipe, ready in 10 minutes. A quick, easy to make dessert with only 5 ingredients. It is the extremely delicious and refreshing homemade cake that you can prepare quickly when you have a craving for something sweet. Ingredients: 660 milliliters. Liquid cream for whipped cream with at least 30% fat, 500 g mascarpone cheese, 2 spoons of powdered sugar, 1 envelope of vanilla sugar, about 400 g biscotti. Method of preparation. In a bowl, mix the liquid cream well. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla sugar. At the end, incorporate the mascarpone cheese. Line a 24 by 28 cm tray with baking paper. Place a row of biscuits, one next to the other, on the base of the tray. Distribute half of the mascarpone cream evenly. Place a new layer of biscuits, then distribute the rest of the cream. Put a new layer of biscuits on top and optionally decorate with grated white chocolate. Before serving, put the cake in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Bon appétit!